Good morning, student. I am Uma Shankar Singh, science class teacher. Today I teach you electric charge is quantized. So, first thing, charge is coming from which places? So, in previous classes, I studied of these things. One electron equal to 1.6 into 10 to power minus 19 coulomb. So formula we generate to Q is equal to M into E, means charge equal to number of electron. Charge equal to number of electron means how many number of electrons in that object, that is charges of that object, that is charges of that object, that is charge. So electric charge is quantized. Quantum of charge is equal to that on an electron, that is charge. Q is equal to Ne. So E is equal to 1.6 into 10 to power minus 19 coulomb. If taken Q is equal to N is equal to taken 1, so 1 into 1.6 into 10 to power minus 19 coulomb. So also 1.6 into 10 to power minus 19 coulomb. Charge of number of electron, that is number of electron, that is Q, that is charges. If taken N is equal to 2, then that is charges is 3.2 into 10 to power minus 19 coulomb. So that types or find the charges. If a question, if you given, if taken a question when given the number of electron, the number of question is given the number of 2 electron in a object for 2 seconds, find the current, find the current, find the current. So that is, that solution is we know that two formula, so first is Q equal to Ne and another is Q equal to IT, where I is current, T is time, Q is charge and Q is number of electron. In that question, charge is directly not given, so need of that equation Q is equal to Ne. So first thing, that is find from, that is Q equal to 2 into 1.6 into 10 to power minus 19 coulomb. Then again that value put in this equation, 2 into 1.6 into 10 to power minus 19 coulomb equal to I. Find out current, find the current. I equal to what? Is time for 2 seconds. So 2 and 2 is cancel out. So I equal to 1.6 into 10 to power minus 19. that is unit is current unit is ampere. So that types of question are solved of these types. SI unit of current is ampere. That is the researcher of Frenchian person, French scientist Andrew Marie Ampere in 1775 to approx 1835. That is given the currents. And so again I describe to conductors and insulators. In such a types, say to what is conductor and what is insulator. Conductor say simply I say to that is in passes through the electric current, that is good conductor of electricity, that is conductor. If current is not passes through, that is insulator. Means that terms is generated from such a place, that is number of electrons. It means when number of electrons are not present in outermost orbit, so that object through electric current is not passes or not flow. If number of electron in outermost orbit is having, then electric current is passes and electric current is flow. When number of electron in outermost orbit, that is say to that is conductor. When number of electron not in outermost orbit, that is say to that is insulator. So you define the conductor and insulator. Suppose an example. One a green tree, then if touches an electric wire, then current is flow. If a dry plant, that is no water, so that touches the electric current, then no supply of electric current, because in dry tree not present of electron, so electric current is not flow. In a green tree, green plant, that is more electron are present, so electric current are passes. So green tree say to green plant, say to that is conductor, but dry plants, that is say to insulator. So that is depends on electron. Okay, thank you.